Hi everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to use the Telegram mobile app step by step. So let's get started. First, what is Telegram? Telegram is a cloud-based messaging app that allows you to send messages, share media, make voice and video calls, and join large groups and channels. You can use it for personal chats, business communication, online communities, and news updates. You can download the Telegram app from the App Store on iPhone or the Google Play Store on Android. Once the app is installed, open it on your phone. When you open Telegram for the first time, enter your phone number and verify it using the code sent via SMS. After verification, you'll land on the Chats screen. On the Chats tab, you'll see all your conversations. You can tap on any chat to send messages, emojis, voice notes, photos, videos, or documents. To start a new chat, tap the pencil or plus icon. From here, you can start a new chat, create a group, add contacts, join a channel. Telegram allows you to create groups with thousands of members and channels with unlimited subscribers. Next, open any chat and tap the profile name at the top. Here you can view shared media, mute notifications, search messages, clear or delete the chat. Now go back and tap the Settings tab. From here, you can manage your profile and username, notifications and sounds, privacy and security, data and storage usage, etc. Telegram also offers additional features such as secret chats with end-to-end encryption, saved messages for storing notes and files, cloud storage for your data. You can also use Telegram on multiple devices at the same time, including mobile, tablet, and desktop. And that's it. This is how you can use the Telegram mobile app